In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your information, turn it into a polished document, tailor it to specific jobs, and refine it so it's clear, compelling, and ATS-friendly. Start by gathering your information. Pull together your personal details and contact information, then list your education, work experience, and skills. For each role, note the job title, employer, location, dates, a short summary of your responsibilities, and several achievements you can quantify. Add certifications, awards, and relevant projects, especially those that demonstrate impact or tools you've used. Organize everything into a clean outline or simple document before you generate the CV. When you're ready, ask ChatGPT to transform it into a professional format. You can say, "Create a professional CV using my education, work experience, and skills." Next, generate a professional CV structure. Ask ChatGPT to organize your details into clear sections like summary, experience, education, skills, certifications, and projects. Request a professional summary or career objective that reflects where you are and where you're headed. Make sure your experience is formatted with concise, achievement-focused bullets using action verbs and measurable outcomes. If you're aiming at a particular industry or role, ask for a layout and language that match that field's expectations. For example, try create a modern CV for a marketing specialist with 3 years of experience. Then, customize for the job. Pull keywords directly from the job description and weave them naturally into your summary, skills, and experience. Highlight the most relevant achievements and move them higher in the document if needed. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite sections to align with the employer's requirements and keep multiple versions ready for different positions. A simple prompt is, "Rewrite my CV to target a project management position." Finally, review and improve. Read through for grammar, formatting, and overall readability. Ask ChatGPT to strengthen weak sections, sharpen your professional summary, and refine achievement statements to be concise and results-driven. Ensure the final CV uses standard headings, a simple layout, and avoids images or complex tables so it's friendly to applicant tracking systems. You can say, "Review my CV and suggest improvements to increase my chances of getting interviews." Give everything a final proofread, confirm dates and titles are accurate, and you're ready to apply with confidence.